Okay, hello students. Our new topic is Ohm's law. Okay, now when physical condition remain unchanged. When physical condition remain unchanged means at constant physical condition, the electric current flowing through the conductor is directly proportional to the potential difference across its end. Okay, so at constant physical condition or at constant temperature and pressure, the potential difference is directly proportional to the current flowing through any cross sectional area of the conductor. Okay, up here V and I both are directly proportional to each other. Okay, for removing this proportionality sign we will use a constant, and this constant is called the resistor. Okay, and this is also called the Ohm's law. V is equal to IR is Ohm's law. Okay, so from this equation we will write it as I is equal to V upon R or R is equal to V upon I. तो यहाँ से क्या कंक्लूजन निकलता है? I is directly proportional to 1 by R. It means that V and I, voltage and current or potential and current, both are directly proportional to each other, and current and resistance both are inversely proportional to each other. Now see what is the meaning of directly proportional, what is the meaning of inversely proportional. Directly proportional means if you increase the value of V, then I will be increasing. Okay, and inversely proportional means if you increase the value of R, then I will be decreases. Okay, decreasing. Okay, this R is called the resistance of a conductor. Now there is some relation between V and I. Okay, we represent it with VI graph. Okay, now for graph we will take a vertical axis and a horizontal axis. On vertical axis we will take the voltage V, and in horizontal axis we will take the current I. Okay, what is the relation between V and I? V is directly proportional to I, or I is directly proportional to V. Okay, so if both are directly proportional to each other, then what is the combination, what is the relation between them? If we represent the relation between V and I graphically, then we will find a straight line graph. Okay, and this is what the slope of the graph. This slope represent the resistance of the conductor. How? See here, since R is equal to V by I. Okay, now there is a simple formula of slope. Slope is always equal to vertical component upon horizontal component. See what is vertical component here? V. What is horizontal component? I. So V by I, and according to Ohm's law, V by I is what? R. So R is equal to V by I. So this slope represents the value of resistance, the value of R. Okay, now what is next? Resistance. Okay, see here, resistance, if someone asks to you that what is resistance, then the resistance opposes the flow of current. Okay, the resistance is a physical quantity which opposes the flow of current. Okay, R is equal to V by I. According to Ohm's law, if V is equal to IR, then R is equal to V by I. Okay, or R, from this equation we will find that R is directly proportional to 1 by I, or we can say that R is inversely proportional to I. Now what is the SI unit of resistance? Ohm. This is the sign of Ohm. Okay, this sign is called Ohm, and Ohm, what is the name of this law? Ohm's law. Okay, तो Ohm ने ये find out किया था about resistance, that this SI unit is named on the scientist name, Ohm. Okay, so SI unit of resistance is Ohm. Now see the definition of 1 ohm. 1 ohm is equal to, what is the value of R? R is equal to V by I. Okay, so the SI unit of resistance is ohm. Okay, SI unit of voltage is volt, denoted by V only, and SI unit of current is ampere. Okay, so 1 ohm is equal to 1 volt per ampere. Okay, now see the definition. Resistance of a conductor is said to be 1 ohm when a potential difference of 1 volt across the end of the conductor make a current of 1 ampere flow through it. It means that अगर किसी कोई कंडक्टर है हमारे पास जिसका वोल्टेज कितना है 1 ओम है, और अगर उसके क्रॉस सेक्शनल एरिया से 1 एम्पियर का करंट फ्लो हो रहा है, दैट the value of that resistance, value of that conductor's resistance is called 1 ohm. Okay, and 1 ohm is equal to 1 volt upon 1 ampere, or 1 volt per ampere. Okay, now see here some numerical for you. The numerical is a resistor allows a current of 0.02 ampere. What is this? The value of current is given, okay, to flow through it when there is a potential difference. PD means potential difference. When there is a potential difference of 10 volt. Okay, so V is given, I is also given. You have to find the value of R. What is the formula for R? Is equal to V by I. Put the value of V and I and find out the value of the resistance. Okay, so solve this question. Okay, thank you so much, class.